I got lost at night, under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find, under the stars up in the sky. I got lost at night, under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find, under the stars up in the sky. I don't know where to take this, I don't wanna break this. We're living.
Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So as you can see, I'm done with my breakfast. I'm heading to the farm to harvest our onions. So guys, this video I began creating it a long time ago, that is like 4 months ago. Yeah, so today is when I'm going to complete it. So I'm going to share how you plant, you harvest, you cure, you dry, and you package onions. If you like this content, please remember to give a video a thumbs up, share this video, subscribe if you've not. So in harvesting these onions, you're going to see only family members. We came together to assist our own, that is my brother, to harvest this. So we were not so much involved in planting, but in harvesting we came as a big team. We had fun. All these people you're seeing here are family members. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the video.
We're living in the moment, we're living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, we're never getting older. Baby, it's you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. Oh, you and I. Yeah, we're stars.
Allow me to take you back to where it all began. So here we were just plowing the farm. This farm had never been planted anything before. It was the first time, so we had to use a tractor. Yeah.
Fade away, out of sight.
Guys, please pardon me for I lack the clip of the seedlings. Yeah, that is planting the seedlings directly, but I'm going to explain to you how it's done. So we collected some red soil and put it in a section of this farm, added a bit of manure, and then we planted the seedlings, the onion seedlings. Yeah, so and this was being watered almost daily to ensure that it has enough water. For where we planted these onions is a bit dry, so we had to be intentional with watering. And so as you can see, we really did a good job. Yeah, and the onions did so well in their nursery. Next step is to move these onions once they are ready. As you can see, we were now moving them from the nursery to the buckets, and now we'll be planting them. And apologies, I lacked the clip of planting because I was not available. Fast forward to harvesting. This is my mom giving us instructions on what to do.
Try to hide, but you can see right through all of the cracks in my blinds. So I break down inside. I've given up on hoping that I won't call your phone.
hiyo video atajijua tu. Sasa jo mtu haiwezi kuwa adui.
Nyinyi mlikuwa mnatoa.
Kama atajua
anakuja kutegwa. Anajua wewe.
Ni wasiwa tunataka.
What we're doing on this day is called curing. That is cutting off the roots of the onions and the green leaves to prevent germination and even spoiling. Yeah. After curing, the next step is drying. Yes, so this is a step that must be done to prevent the onions from rotting and spoiling. Yeah, and separating the onions from the good ones, the small ones, sizes, yeah, whatever you wish. This can take up to a week to do that. The next step is packaging. As you can see, we are packaging and still packaging. Yeah, so that's how it's done, guys. For those who love to support this business by purchasing these onions, they will be available as from October of 2024. I must emphasize on that. And also you can call this number down below running on your screen. This is the number that you will call, or even you can inbox me on Instagram, that is DM me at Faiza Here is my handle. I'll definitely get back to you. And also guys, these onions will be are sold at 120 shillings per kg. That's a good deal, guys. In October, that will be a good deal. Yeah, so and orders will be above 20 kgs for free delivery to happen. 20 kgs and above, and that is for people who live along Kangundo Road and Thika Road. From Kangundo Road, the beginning from Mala coming back to Kamulu, Joska, Rai joining Thika Road up to Garden City area or EABL. Yeah. For the pickup point, it will be at Trio Complex next to EABL or near Garden City Mall. Yeah. After the onion harvesting business, we definitely had to give a hand in other chores, that is like doing this maize and other things. Yeah, so I thought I should just include these other clips of my stay at home. Who goes to a farm and goes back to their place empty-handed? Not me, not me, guys. So I'm getting some skuma wiki. Actually, I'm just doing it myself from the greenhouse. Yes, so and carry some onions as well. Yeah, so if you need these vegetables, that is skuma wiki and spinach. When buying your onions, you can inquire if there's still some. Uziwe pia, you can be sold some.